What is up, my Back to Life family? Today I am on my back deck at my house and I'm gonna pressure wash it. It's a little bit dirty. As you can see, we got black mold and everything going on around. It's not terrible. I've owned this house for about 2 years now, but I'm excited because I have this electric pressure washer. I've never used an electric one, but my dad had one and he was like, yo, it's super easy, super simple, and just go grab it. So I went and grabbed it. I gotta move some of these chairs. Sorry, I got my shirt off. I'm showing all my fat and everything. Gotta move this accordingly, and we're just gonna attack this whole area, get this whole space right here, all through here. You see we got the little mold right there. This is where I work out too, but yeah, we got the electric pressure washer right there. I'm gonna move some of this stuff and then we're gonna get started. They got some cool work going on right there. They're building some kind of warehouse, so that's pretty dope. I get to look at that while they work. But regardless, I'm about to start pressure washing. First, I'm gonna move all this and then we're gonna jump in, and I hope y'all enjoy this video because I told y'all that I was gonna start putting a bunch of furniture and stuff in my house and kind of dressing my house up, but I'm gonna start out here, get this outside done. We're gonna put some nice LED lights out here. This is gonna be super dope. I can't wait to get this done. I hope y'all enjoy it. Here we go. Let's see. Oh, nice. Yeah, okay. Let's get it going, baby. Holy crap, y'all, it's hot. I thought I was good with the shirt on. I'm not good with the shirt on, but we're making great progress. I need to grab a little bit of water. It's looking darn good. I don't know if you can tell really that well on camera. Yes, you can. All right, yes, you definitely can. Oh, this looks beautiful. Hope y'all are enjoying the time lapse. I just gotta pull it all the way over here. I'm gonna move the grill over there once I'm actually spraying on this side, but got the windows a little bit. I'll do the door a little bit more. But for now, sorry, I'm breathing hard. It's hot, my legs hurt. Oh, my hamstrings. But it's looking darn good, and we're gonna go all the way down to the stairs. That electric freaking pressure washer is doing its job though. Never used an electric one before. Always used the gas powered one with a lot of power, but this is actually perfect. Didn't even know electric freaking pressure washers existed. So I'm gonna grab a little bit of water and then I'm gonna be right out. We're gonna film the rest of this and get it done because it's hot, but I need a tan, so I gotta get all this good sun. Alrighty y'all, so I had to take a break and go to lunch. It has been absolutely hot. It's a little bit better. The sun is hiding behind the clouds, but I can tell a huge difference literally from here to here. Like if I show you, obviously I got to do a little bit better job. This is my first time pressure washing this, but you can tell, just look at that compared to that. That's actually disgusting now that I think about it. But we're getting there. I got to go back and hit some of the spots that are kind of drying out right now, but we have a whole nother half to do right here. So I'm back from lunch. We're getting ready, taking my shirt off. We're getting a good tan. This has been fun actually. I'm getting a tan, I'm sweating. Then I'm gonna do a workout after all this, I guess. But I can't wait to put those LED lights on here after everything dries up. So let's get to work. Thank you for watching along this far. Let's see what the finished product looks like. All right, y'all, we're done with the deck part. We still got the stairs. This is real. Salute to everybody that does pressure washing out there. Excuse the fat rolls, I don't care, it's hot. I'm sorry for showing my fat rolls. Still gotta do the stairs, but it's starting to thunder. So I don't know what we're gonna do. We're gonna try to beat the rain. We're gonna see what happens. So let me keep working. If it starts thundering, I'll take you inside. Alrighty y'all, I am freaking exhausted, but it's starting to thunder and stuff, so I'm gonna put my camera away. The next time I show y'all this deck, it's gonna be completely done. Right now we've got everything through here. I gotta do a little bit of the backside there, gotta finish these stairs that you just saw, and then once this dries out, I'm actually gonna put down like the little LED strip lights. Hopefully I can get that in this video, which I'm gonna really try to do, because it's gonna look freaking dope. Can't wait to finish. I'm glad y'all are watching. Thank you so freaking much. I gotta finish this before it starts raining. Alrighty y'all, I'm finally done. That was not as easy as I thought it was gonna be, but you live and you learn. But we got everything washed. It looks beautiful, as you can see. I'm gonna let it dry out though before I try to put my LED light strips out here. I'm gonna either line them at the bottom, or I'm gonna line them at, no, I'm not gonna put them on the handrail because then nobody will be able to lean over. So I'm probably gonna line them up there through the bottom post there, all the way across. It's gonna be a dope vibe. They actually turn on and off, but I can't do it till it dries. You see, I got the stairs done. I got the outsides done as good as possible. And of course you get the nice view, so anybody looking at my deck now, my neighbors here, or my neighbors here are gonna be like, wow, that guy's got a really clean deck. So as soon as it dries up, we're putting the LEDs on, which I'll probably do tomorrow, but I'm gonna do it in one video so that you guys can see the whole vibe. So I'm gonna go shower, and the next time you'll see me is setting up the LED lights to make this place look freaking awesome. Shout out to you, Bird, I love you. Alrighty y'all, so it is nighttime, and I was gonna set up the lights. But unfortunately, I've come to the conclusion that these lights probably don't belong outside. These are definitely inside lights. There's a 3M sticky pad on the back of it. They're exposed, so I'm probably gonna have to buy some new lights. But the deck looks beautiful. It's drying out super good. I love what it looks like. It looks fresh, it looks clean, it looks like when I built my house. But just to give you an idea of what these lights actually look like, they're super cool. And they actually change colors with this remote. I got them off Amazon, but watch this. Okay, never mind. Thought they changed color with this remote. They did earlier, but when you're trying to show somebody something, it never works. So I'm actually gonna put them inside, like in my living room, and just kind of have a cool little vibe. I think that'll be pretty cool around my TV. But anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed me pressure washing the crap out of this deck and it taking longer than expected, make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and on TikTok at NicoTJR, and make sure you check out shopbacktolife.com. Grab you some merch. I got the Back to Life t-shirts, hoodies, crew necks, whatever it is. Support the movement. Without further ado, my Back to Life family, I'll see you in my next video. Peace.